Thanks for watching my beginner's tutorial on how to navigate and use the basic features of Revizto BIM collaboration platform. To begin with, I would like to cover off three main workspaces within the Revizto platform. The first workspace is 3D View, where you are able to navigate and interact with the BIM model environment. The 3D workspace also allows the majority of the tools like sectioning of the model, measure, and searching elements in the model. These are primary tools, but these and the rest will be covered in detail when I go into the 3D workspace. The second workspace is 2D, which facilitates the ability to view 2D drawings in the traditional sense and overlay it on top of the model to provide 3D context to the drawing. The third workspace, and equally as important as the 3D workspace and 2D workspace, is the issue tracker. This workspace allows you to view the list of items that are tracked and managed in the coordination model. Additionally, this view allows viewing each individual issue as a snapshot in 3D view or with a 2D overlay. The first of three workspaces I want to dive into is 3D. This is the primary workspace to view the 3D environment, otherwise known as the coordination model. First, I want to cover off how to navigate the model within the 3D view or workspace. Knowing these navigation controls is important so you can move around through the model and be able to use the tools in Revizto more effectively. To start off, there are 5 types of navigation settings that you can choose from. They can be found under Preferences, and then under the navigation menu. The setting for navigation I will cover in this tutorial, and the default navigation setting is the Revizto Navigation setting. If you would like to try others, you now know where to find it and change it. Now, the first navigation aspect I want to cover is how to make the model view pivot about an axis point, just like you see me doing now. The way to do this is by clicking and holding the left mouse button and moving in the direction you would like the model to spin around the axis. You will notice a small white ball that is what represents where the axis point of the model is when you manipulate the view of the model. Generally, this is controlled by wherever the cursor is placed over the model or over the screen. The next navigation aspect is making the model view pan left, right, up, or down. To do this, you simply click the wheel of your mouse by pressing down on the wheel and holding, and moving the mouse in whatever direction you want the model to move while holding the wheel of your mouse. And I just want to emphasize with these navigation controls, it is important that you hold the wheel or the button of the mouse while moving, doing these functions. To zoom in and out of the model, you simply roll the wheel of your mouse forward to zoom in and backward to zoom out. Last is how to move the model view left, right, up, or down from a first-person perspective as if you were looking in a specific direction like you see me doing now. To do this, all you have to do is click on the right mouse button and hold while you move your mouse in the direction you would like the view to move. All of these navigation functions used in conjunction with each other will allow you to navigate through the model and explore its 3D environment much more easily. Use of these takes some time and practice, but increasing your familiarity with these functions and learning to combine them will allow you to become more proficient in navigating the model.